Welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. Hope you are enjoying this tutorial series till this point and hopefully have played some songs too. Maybe you are expecting some more chords to learn now or some cool riff. However, that's not the case. Today we are going to start with some finger exercises to build flexibility. I call them finger yoga. Finger flexibility is much needed going forward and we are trying to build the foundation here. Let's see some of them right now. One of the exercises goes this way. There is another one and that goes this way. Okay, that's how these exercises goes. There are 7 exercises to follow. You should dedicate 5 minutes in each practice session as a warm-up. You can alternate the exercises spanned across week. One day practice exercise 1, second day exercise 2 and so on. Doesn't sound interesting, right? I know they are little boring but really can't help much here. Let's jump into it and start with a basic one. This one is literally stretching your fingers on a flat surface. Take the fretting hand fingers one by one and stretch on any flat surface for about 5 to 10 seconds on each finger. Then take the thumb and give a thumbs up. By the way, you can give a thumbs up to this video too. That keeps me motivated to come up with new lessons. Anyways, then bend it backward. That's it. And do the same for the other hand too. So all the fingers and your thumb. Okay, so you can do it on the Guitalele body itself, right? And that's a nice flat surface. Once you are done with the stretching, what you have to do is take your first finger and second finger as a group. Okay, and then start from the first fret and play corresponding notes on that fret. So for the first finger I am playing this note and then for the second finger I am playing this note. Once one string is done, move to the second string and do the same. So the second string I am placing this finger on this fret, first fret, and second finger on the second fret. So what I am doing is, and then once that string is done, move one more and keep doing it. Okay, till you are done with all the 6 strings. Okay, and then come back one by one again. So starting from the 6th string, once these 2 frets are done, first and second fret is done, slide your finger. Okay, slide your first finger to the second fret and automatically your second finger moves to the third fret and repeat the same exercise. So from string 1 to string 6 and now from 6 to 1. Okay, again you have to slide and then you have to cover these 6 strings on these 2 frets, the fret 3 and fret 4. Okay, and then you have to slide till your second finger or the middle finger reaches the 12th fret. So once you reach this position, you don't have to slide to next fret. Okay, so my first finger is on 11th fret now. Okay, fret number 11. So and the middle finger is on the 12th fret. Okay, so you have to repeat the same process, same exercise for all the frets and all the strings. So that's exercise 1. Another thing to keep in mind, keep your fingers floating near fretboard and don't pull them off completely. Okay, like I have shown you, so my fingers were almost uh, almost half a centimeter gap from the fretboard. Okay, half a centimeter to 1 centimeter gap. I mean, it depends on person to person and the level of experience with the guitarlele they have. So, but yeah, keep some. I mean, just don't take everything off. Like once you are done with this and you're putting this, then don't like take this off completely and then you're going again back and then you're taking off this. No, you shouldn't do that. Okay, I mean, just a simple gap. I mean, some half a centimeter to 1 centimeter gap. That's it. Now coming to the second exercise. For the second exercise, we are not going to use the middle finger. We are going to use the first finger and the third finger. Okay, so we are not using the middle finger and the pinky here. So what you have to do is that place your finger, the first finger on the first fret and third finger on the third fret, and leave this second fret open. I mean, you don't use any strings on this. You can just leave a gap there whenever you are practicing that. So let me show it to you once, and you have to repeat the same. You have to cover all the strings from string 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you have to cover from fret 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I mean, 10th fret will be your first finger and your 12th finger by that time will be on the 12th fret. Okay, so and you at that point of time you are leaving the 11th fret. So that's what basically is this, basically you have to do. So the exercise goes like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, and one more thing, whenever you are sliding your the fingers that are there, I mean the other 4 fingers, you also have to slide your thumb too. So like this, you have to slide your thumb as well. Okay, so that's the second exercise. Now coming to the third exercise. You might have already guessed the third one. It's your first finger and your pinky, leaving 2 frets in between. So here also you have to do the same. I mean, simply press every strings, play the note, slide and slide to the next fret and something like this. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we are basically warming up. We are basically okay, and you have to continue doing this till your pinky reaches the 12th fret. That means your first finger will reach the 9th fret. Okay, so something like this. Okay, as I am showing the exercises, I am not using a metronome here, but you should practice with metronome. Remember a point here, the aim here is not to build speed. Speed will come with practice, but the most important here is to build accuracy. Each note should ring properly. Keep the metronome at a speed which feels comfortable for you. For the next 2 exercises, you won't be using your first finger. For the fourth exercise, take second finger and third finger in group and there is no gap in between. Okay, and then you have to play strings like we are doing the first finger and second finger till your third finger reaches 12th fret. Okay, so hopefully you can see the 12th fret now. So by the time your second finger is reaching 12th fret, your third finger reaching 12th fret, your second finger is on fret 11. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and you have to continue doing it till your third finger reaches the 12th fret. I rushed a bit here just to show you because the video is getting longer, but yeah, you shouldn't rush. The next exercise is second finger and fourth finger. So you place your second finger on the first fret and your fourth finger on the third fret. Leave the fret gap in between, one fret gap in between. And continue till your fourth finger reaches the 12th fret. That means your second finger will reach the 10th fret. Okay, and this 11th fret will be leaving a gap. Okay, so this time we are using these two fingers. Okay, so the third finger goes on fret 1, fourth finger goes on fret 2, and you repeat the same process. So string by string, fret by fret. Okay, that's it basically. Those were exercises that uses only two fingers in a group. The last exercise involves all four fingers. Okay, you have to repeat the process with all four fingers now, starting from first fret till fourth fret until your pinky reaches 12th fret. Keep your fingers parallel to the fretboard. That is the main key here. Then you'll actually feel the stretch. The exercise goes like this. Okay, and once you are done, you are sliding to the next fret. And you keep doing it till your pinky reaches the fourth fret. So that basically means your first finger will be on the 9th fret. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's it. Repeating once again, do not try to do this exercise in hurry. You don't do yoga in a rush. You do them relaxed and slowly until you feel a stretch. This yoga also works on the muscle between thumb and index finger. So this muscle particularly. So not only a stretching but a strength building exercise too. That's all the exercises to add to your daily routine for now. For your reference, I'll also publish one of my finger yoga practice sessions. Maybe some of the time I didn't play properly here because I was in hurry of talking to you and I was in hurry to finish this video first. Maybe not everything was as perfect as it should have been. So I'll publish one of my finger yoga practice sessions for your reference. Try them and let me know in comments how was your first attempt with the exercises.